People wanna listen to me now. See? Them say, be careful of the enemies you make. Not the ones you made yourself, but the ones who created themselves. Be careful of the enemies you have. Not the ones you created, but the ones that created themselves. Somebody said, them say, nah, help your son. Okay, let's get into it. When I always hear me say, I have 4 kids me get, right? So, you know, say, Oshan, and my first son will become my second son. And you know, Adore would have been my second child, will end up become my last child. Not the last child, but the last one. Ask me how that happened now. Cause me I go give that little girl here 5 minutes of fame where Vybz Kartel send her to come get. People sometimes when they hear me I troll Vybz Kartel. Alright, so somebody comment there already. So she a old time pussy seller. You see it? You see what me I talk about? You see when you see a lion asleep, leave the lion alone. Zine? So watch this now. I am a retired gallist. Zine? Me deal with gal thing like a joke one time. Zine? First thing I want to notice. Somebody say me love Kartel name is a reason. And you have to listen why. Me know this is like a forward, you know. Cause when Kartel just come from jail and gone Mobile, me see her in a Kartel car. Kartel go up on the ends where she live and she Kartel, my member, I always a pray for you, I always a rare, whatever. Me not have a problem with that. And me never say nothing. See? So now, to me I troll him on the internet now wicked. He don't give her a thing or something because she always want money. And say, go and go style Foota. See, so sometimes on the net, no know where I go on around the scenes. You understand what I say? So, him send her to come do this now. But what she not telling me, I gotta go into the real story now. Me I gotta go into the real story now. See, come me expect this, you know. From me see her in a Kartel vehicle, and bag of thing me expect it. So them a draw a wild card. Alright. One thing more I want to notice though. Every baby mother where them bring up with me, I always some girl will look good, and if them look good now still, so then you know say 19 years ago, she did look way better. Cause my son are 19, right? So it's true you say, even Kartel them can't chat to me about girl thing. Zine? So anyway, this girl used to work for hard copy. No fun don't know. Yeah, I them trouble me today, you know, figure it out fretty. I them trouble me first today. She used to work for hard copy, right? So she was a hard copy model and me meet her a cassava piece up on a roof. She come out and party. Right? Anyway, them time they had the brokest man she have. Zine, me a brokest man she have. I be a drugs man she used to do with an artist, right? Me not gonna call the artist them name cause them not have nothing to do with this right now. People, as a gallist, as a poor broke gallist, me a knock it. Zine? Me are the brokest man she did with at the time. Oh, I'm black. Oh, idiot. Hold on. Oh, you said them fit. Okay. So me go so now. Zine. I know me love the brown girl, them and them love me. Zine. Yeah, man, vlogger, get to work. So this girl now, when we meet her, she work for hard copy. For those who don't know, hard copy is a dancehall magazine, like, or either have X News and them something there. He used to have hard copy magazine. So these girls were the first set of girls to come out in them bad suit and them something, and people used to book them to come a party like how you have promo girls. And them girls that first used to do it. Them used to travel go all Cayman and all over the place. So I guess so now she used to do her little fly out and her little something then. See? So now I'm gonna reach about the child yet, let me tell you now where I go on. So me as a little broke pocket youth get her while she there with I think she did there with one British and Lucky British at the time, plus one of my artist friend. Zine? So me as a little broke pocket youth get her. Sometimes when I hear Mataran used to say him carry me down a Waltham, go pick up my girl and carry we go buy KFC and bag a thing and drop way off. A she attack. See? Them time them I no car, me no have no bicycle, me no have nothing, right? So Mataran with a carry me go pick her up, she come on my yard, whatever, fuck. She gone back to her yard and gone back to her money man them. And me had a little broke youth where I go and knock it. See? Anyway, me go so bad man, me a knock it right through. Big man thing, me a knock it right through. She find a Dan man. Them time there, when you remember the long back Mark II them, like where brother from Lover's Choice have one of them. Remember a 35 lane she come, 33 lane she come from. So she find a man where them time them I make enough money. Big up Shans. I make enough money, I have one of the long back Mark II them and she and him a deal. She said she a breed or the man breed her. So she said. Remember me a knock it all upon the belly me a knock it. Remember before she breed, you know. For who know the gangster thing, Doreen from 33 lane down at Congress them corner. Her auntie. So I remember what go on and war go on and she threatened them I go kill her. She and her mother and her sister and the whole of them. And me carry them a cassava piece go put up in my house. Them there me yard for about a month. Cause I tell my mother say me no want them dead. Me no want them kill them. See? So she got so boom and she there me yard for about a month. And then them get a place a Spanish Town. And live over Spanish Town. And while them over Spanish Town now, she a breed. So me still a knock it right through, see? So one night me go over there and me knock it through the grill. The grill not open or not, cause the time she there with the next man, you know. She there with the man with the Mark II, rich again, you know, next rich man in them come from us a Grand Spend. See? And me a knock it, cause me just a knock, and me a the knocker, you see it? Anyway, she breed, the man fly her out, them live in Costa Rica. Listen this, you know. Listen this, you know. She live in Costa Rica. People want to follow her story good, you know. See? She go live in Costa Rica. Me not hear back from this girl, yeah. How much years, you know. See? Years after, me don't know where she get my number. So she has say, cause she just do this and I meet her send viral, you know. See? And come so boom. See people who know the story, I type it before me even say nothing. See? So, she there Costa Rica, the youth grew up Costa Rica. That's why I'm talk fluent Spanish. That's why you hear she talk too look Spanish. See? Where she there Costa Rica all that. Anyway, she have a set of twin after my son. Or must be two set of twin, I don't remember. I don't remember how much pitney she have because I never in a connection with her or nothing. See? So boom, so now she goes so. And one day me she called me out of nowhere. I asked me if I have no link for certain things and certain things. I said, no, I don't have no link. I don't know nothing about them something. She gone. She come back again. One next time call me. She and the man are war. And she want to look about papers and rare. I say, so you there at Costa Rica so long. And you know, look on a paper, you know, look about yourself, you know, do nothing. Zine. So, you know, watch the comment because some people know the story attacking. So anyway, the man a beat her, kill her over there. Because the man a said the youth and a female. Zine, she with her back against the wall now. This is when the youth are 12-year-old, you know. People want to listen to me now. The youth are 19 right now. I'm 8 for have to do this. But when you see people look at hype and take money, because she take money from Kartel for do this now, if say she expose me. Girl, you're an idiot, you can expose me. When I help you, I save you from embarrassment. She got so bam and link me when the youth are 12. And I tell me, say the man, I beat her up every day and I say the pitney and I fear. And I'm my youth. Remember, you know, she have no proof say I'm my youth, you know. Just to the man I beat her, Zine. Through the man I beat her and I chew her out. So when the man kick her out of the house, she have no if she stay at Costa Rica. Because she never make nothing for herself over there. She just over there and live under the man's roof and I breed up. So anyway, the man say I keep him daughter them, where she have, and he must send her to Jamaica. She have come, him no business if she come to Jamaica. I'm just a kick her out of the house with the youth. So she has a Foota, I hear a youth. Zine? I say, my youth. Oh, me for sure say I'm my youth. Oh, you just say I'm my youth. Anyway, she come to Jamaica. She link me. When she link me, she did stay down at Oakland. Down one place down at Oakland. Same Oakland where we used to hang out. So I go so bam, and I link her up. And I knock it one time and I never like it. I say, no sir. And I see him. You understand? Anyway, she tell me about the youth. She said the youth of mine. I talk to my woman when I did at the time and I said, Jano, you know, so I'm not sure if I'm my youth. Zine? I mean, I want to take up the responsibility and I'm my youth. So the woman said, here what do? Don't let him stranded. Zine? Because if in case I hear youth, you don't want to let him stranded and then you find out, say, I hear youth, right? So anyway, I start in the youth life from this up. Zine? Start, because she come out to Jamaica with $0. I suffer. She come attack. Why she not tell people say the youth don't even live with her right now? You know how much years me not talk to that girl? Chukulu are the one from down a Waltham. I never call her name. Because she well want clout. People, here when me stop talk to that girl. Because girl used to call me. Me used to give her money, give her a thing, just to take care of the youth. Here when me stop dealing with her. One time them have something from Pink Wall about deadbeat that Zine. And she got put up, but oh, me a deadbeat father. Cause she no want, me no want give her money for the youth. True, she ain't a singer like Aisha. So me done with that right there, so cause me not play them something there. So at the time, me that travel back and forth from foreign. Me buy something for the youth, some clothes and thing, and go for give him piece of money. So me call him and me say, yo, come check me down at the end of the road, right down at Rio there, so down at Ochi. And me say, don't make your mother come with them, I don't want to see her. So when we reach down there, me and my woman in the car, and three of my soldiers there. And I go meet the youth and give him the bag with the clothes and the shoes them. And then me see she appear. Me see she appear. So she appear, me say, me not tell her, say, me don't want to see where you come down here for. Oh, you know, say, no food in the house and this and that, and me I beg you money. So me say, you can't beg me nothing. You violate. Me not do internet mix up with my thing. And me say to the youth, so me I give him my money. I give him about 25 or 30 grand. Me know say him I give him money out of it. Me no business. And me give him clothes and him shoes them and cut. Me start communicate with the youth alone. People, remember this, you know. The youth ain't in my name, you know. The youth ain't in my name at all, you know. Remember, me don't do a DNA yet for the youth, you know. None of that I do, you know. So when she come talk about father and deadbeat, the youth name Grandison, me name Thomas. The youth name my name. Zine, and ask what me do. Me a pay school fee from when. What do you see? Ocean left America, come to Jamaica. I go on graduation. Me buy Ocean plane ticket. And me get place for them stay. Me make Adore go on graduation. My brother go, my sister go. Everybody go treat him like a family. You understand what I say? Me no shun the youth. No, me I go shun him. No, me I go shun him. I threw me in a girl business. The youth just ask me if you pay him school fee again for 30,000. And my brother pick up him acceptance to Yui. This girl and I have nothing to do with the youth. She live a Mobile. The youth live a Ochi. Where she come and talk like she a good mother. The youth not from she come back to Jamaica, the youth not live with her. She don't have Mobile do what she do and live her life. A Ochi the youth live. So you come talk. And me I take care of the youth. When me I send clothes and shoes at 10 pair of shoes, 10 pants, 15 shorts, 20 shirts. Where you there, my girl? Where you there? No, you are gonna make me just love him. I gotta tell him, say, make your mother do what she do. Cause I'm not sure if I'm your father. So guess what? After the DNA, then we start work. Your mother and her manners. And second thing, that's why I'm not talk to her. About 8 years now, I'm not talk to that girl here. So when you make Kartel, I come press you if you do that. You know, should I make Kartel talk out time out? Kartel them can't style me and you can't style me. Me no Bowers nor Batty boy. I say me breed, you know. And people don't notice. Every baby mother them call me name and always some girl will look good. And them time they are from me hungry. So them boy have to try style me. Kartel them can't style me. Look for female baby mother them before him bust and look for mine. So I don't know why my son I come do this for. And me are the man. Me are the man of the match. When me I buy clothes for the youth, a whole heap of clothes me send down. A spray ground bag him have. Ask him. I buy him spray ground bag and that done and him send for next one. I buy him more spray ground bag. Anything he want him get. Brand him wear. People, you know why me take care of the youth? Because of she and Kartel apart. When Kartel go down and Moby the first time one day, when him come from jail, him and her in a vehicle and a chat. But them they know so me get them video there and me see everything and me just easy myself. Because I know it will come to this. Watch this now. The reason why I help the youth, me give a whole heap. Me give a whole heap. A whole heap of people beg me and me help them. And me I say to myself, say, there's a possibility it might be my youth. Because me da knock it right through. You see me? So, me now go say, just ignore him and make the youth suffer. You see me I say? Me been a help the youth and I take care of the youth from I meet him till now. Me no know the youth till him at 12. You understand me I say? So all you know make the DJ press you if you come to this like you're an idiot. Like you want me just cut off the youth completely. You just get accepted in a UE a while ago. And my brother go pick up the acceptance letter from UE. The local youth is a bright youth, smart youth, speaks fluent Spanish. Me hook up you to that liar America for get job, travel job and be a thing. Where you come here say I try blight the youth for? Why you come here say I try blight the youth? You are such a selfish mother. That say just I think about the little money where you want Kartel for give. And you not think about what me I do for the youth and the role when I play in the youth life. As a man, with the youth in my name and the youth not in no DNA, and me still I do what me fit do. When the youth link me for nothing, me not talk to you. Me no need to talk to you, my girl. Me call him phone, him call my phone. Me send money to him cousin Zell. Where you come here, so where you make Kartel a boots you up to do this for? Why you do that? You look stupid, my girl. So if you come talk about man a deadbeat father when the pitney even have my name, me don't know the pitney till him at 12. Chinibu, stop asking me why I always a call Kartel name because it's Kartel. Tell her to do it. When you don't know nothing, go on to sip on internet and you know it's Kartel. Tell her to do it. And him and her par. And him and her par. You know I'm post the video them when she in her vehicle. And I say, oh, I'm glad you come. Jesus Christ. I pray for you every day. And everything I put out and everything I comment on. If she never come talk this now, you know hear her in her video. But I'm always a trouble Kartel and Ray. Why I'm not talk about him pitney when I'm not mind how for pitney and my pitney? The pitney in my name. Me not do no DNA for the pitney. You not tell me say pitney and mine till him at 12 when the man throw you and him out of the house. So I'm 30 years before that. You never know say, am I you? No, but I know the first she do it. She go up on pink wall already and put up about me a deadbeat father because true she an artist like Aishana. And then she use her ear page where she does sell ear and mobile. For you for do that. For call traffic over her ear page. You understand what I say? Me just call a little youth a while ago and him text me saying I'm in a class. Look on the drama where you want to bring down on the youth now. Me are the hungry father figure the youth have. Where I help him. And you with that sick, dementive, hungry belly self. I come do this, take money away you take from Kartel and you do it for cloud. If you come try this. What wrong with your girl? You don't care about the youth. You don't care about the youth. Don't take school bag and the book and pencil them when I go to school and me buy them. You don't understand how woman so fool. Go check him now I go to school. If no clocks him I wear upon foot. No spray ground bag him have. Uniform clean like whistle. Million shoes, shorts, everything. Same thing when I buy Ocean. I buy Ocean Wallaby and buy him L-Stitch clock. I saw me do them. Me not buy him nothing less. So how you have to come and talk about deadbeat father and me always a trouble Kartel. What Kartel have to do with your son? Stupid dumbass girl. Remember when gunman want to kill you a while time and me hide you. And me hide you up on me yard. You and your mother and your sister. Oh, you're so oh, full of shit, so. You're real shit in a plate. Nobody never hear me come talk about this yet, you know. And you make whatever you want from Kartel. Whether you want drink him, piss, eat him shit, sleep with him, get the money from him. Why would you make him send you come do this? See somebody are telling us that the pitney don't even live with her. So she wouldn't know nothing. Oh, you can call man deadbeat father and the pitney don't live with you. When me I send him money, you don't know. When me I sell him the money, them you don't know. So how you have come talk when a child will even live with you? Me not talk my personal business them on social media. No, you make me have to come and talk this. For the youth go see this and start feel depressed again. You know the youth depressed. Say you live with a man, the man live in Costa Rica all him life, you know. And when him at 12, the man start beat him and beat you. And say enough him pitney and running out. You tell the people them that? Did you tell the people them that is you never give me the youth? When the youth born, you never one day call me yet and say, yeah, give me the youth. When the youth born, and you and the man must say, I got airport, you call me and say, if I want to see your baby, you never say, my baby. You say, my friend, the baby born, you know, and we are going, you want to see him? I shall not search the phone and see whatever you send on big rebel and big war. Remember good, and never my youth. I never my youth, the youth name in my name. Me name Thomas. The little boy named Grandison. And me still there spend money upon him and I take care of him. And make him know my family them. Make him know Oshan. Make him know Adore. Make him know Biggs. All of them know each other. So who you call deadbeat father? Who you call son? Do you see them mother ya? Some of them mother ya. Them so selfish. Some of them mother ya selfish so till. Them do some things and not even think about the future of the child. Them they even think about the future of the child before they come on social media and do some stupid bullshit. Once me say, alright, me I go help the youth here. Me make him know Oshan, me make him know Biggs, me make him know Adore. Me and them dey on phone call, video call all the way. And me tell every one of them, but me and an idiot father, but no mother, now go style me, and me still been a good father. Your mother alone go and take care of you now. Cause she not care about you. Yeah, then overdo it now. I block them, man. Block them. So me don't know which part you come from, but oh, him always a talk about cartel. Him always a talk about this. So him not talk about him not mind him youth. Girl, you don't even live near your youth. You don't know how your youth got school at morning time. You don't know how your youth got school at morning time. You don't know how the youth eat. You don't know how him drink. You could tell us you see him. When me send clothes and shoes to Ian, I know 1, nor 2, nor 3, nor 4, nor 5, nor 6, nor 7. So we are come talk about, and the child is not in my name, and I don't do a DNA for the child. So why me I help this child? Because there is a possibility it might be my child. There is a possibility. And am I pitney? By law, even if him DNA do and him in my name, I still not my pitney. She don't know how much money me send him, and when me send him, she probably know how much for the school fee. I have a message from Ian, when? Last night or this morning, and me tell him, say me I go send the 30 grand for pay him thing. Our family them know say me help take care of you the good. I sell money, me not fi link she for send him no money. Them man they sophisticated, them man they have a Zelle, them man they have debit card, them man they have everything. So she come from make cartel press her button if he come to this. That's why she fool. She not tell nobody say she da run her whole like Shuckle taxi. Yeah, you know, say me don't want to get to the road. Because the end of the day, Ian mother and I don't want.